One ticker, one morning, FCUV from a $1.88 close, all the way to 1821. Micro float, heavy volume, and we flagged it before the news ever hit the wire. Here's the anatomy of the move. Prior close, $1.88. High of day, $18.21. And the key number, a 620,000 share float. When a float is that small, aggressive volume has nowhere to hide. And that is squeeze fuel. Now, here's the part that matters. At 8:18 a.m., FCUV hit our breakout scanner and fired on our Find It First Premier scanner, built to catch low float momentum. The alert pushed straight to our elite community at $2.20. The headline, it didn't cross the Benzinga wire until 8:22. That's 4 full minutes before the news. And price and volume told the story first. And this is exactly why technical trading is my approach with low float momentum. Finding the news is hard, even from repeatable sources. Then you still have to read it, break it down, and decide if it's even worth trading. By then, most day traders are already in, and late entries are the ones that roll over on you. The chart doesn't need a headline, it already is the story. And the scanners never let it go quiet. Volume and price spike alerts kept refiring all morning. 273, 488, 716, all the way to $9. One alert can be noise. A cascade of alerts on a microfloat, that's a setup demanding your attention. So let's talk about the tool. This is our Trend Pulse Elite on the 1-minute chart. Running the 1-minute and the 5-minute settings in the user inputs on a single pane. That wider band reads the 5-minute trend, higher time frame context, without ever switching charts. Now watch the setup. Price breaks the trend, then pulls back into the zone. That pullback is a support test. If support holds, that's your long entry. And look how that zone marked major support all day long. Trading near that level means your risk is defined before you ever click buy, a clear line in the sand just below. Price and volume respond real-time for real opportunities. This tool can be used in conjunction with your favorite current indicators. That's the plan. Trend Pulse confirms direction. Price breaks and extends. It pulls back into the zone. You enter near support, with your stop just below it. No strategy works 100% of the time, but a plan for both outcomes is what buys you longevity in this game. The plan is laid out for us. Now the focus is on sticking to our strategy rules and staying patient for the right setup. So here's what made this trade repeatable. An 8:18 alert 4 minutes before the wire. A 620,000 share float paired with volume. Trend Pulse mapping the trend and support all session. And a plan that defined the risk before the trade. Study this chart with our elite strategies and watch for the same setup real-time next session. I'm live trading Monday through Friday with our elite community, going over low float momentum and SPY same-day 0 DTE scalping every single day. Head to bullishboblive.com and join the elite membership today.